Introducing the first and only multifunctional cooktop of its kind in the U.S., the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station. The Vulcan VCS gives chefs endless ways to express their artistry and the precision to showcase their mastery, all in one compact piece of equipment. Executing more personalized and changing menus has never been easier, thanks to the wide variety of cooking techniques the VCS makes possible. Vulcan's patented cooking surface heats up fast, recovers fast, and gives you precise temperature control corner to corner. You get accuracy within 2 degrees across the whole surface. Its small size simplifies workflow and maximizes costly hood space. And to make your life easier, its patented cooking surface and integrated water source make it easy to clean, so you can get started on your next menu item faster. Now let's see the Vulcan VCS in action. The versatility of the Vulcan VCS is made possible in part by how fast and easy it is to clean between cooking techniques. Simply add water and heat. Add detergent if needed and gently scrub. Rinse with water, drain, and the VCS is ready to go again. The VCS is also equipped with enhanced safety features, like a water valve shutoff during frying mode to reduce the likelihood of injury. From appetizers to desserts, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the Vulcan VCS extends your kitchen's flexibility. Now your menu doesn't have to be limited, even if your space is.